Hello and good evening. Welcome to Let Us Cook episode 1. Yes, I have high hopes that this will be an amazing journey for me and all of you to bring to you weekly on Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And it won't be long. It'll be, 10 minutes, roughly, maybe 15, depending on what we're doing. But I want to highlight just products that make everything easier in the kitchen for you. Or you may have products that are still in boxes that you haven't even unpacked and you're not sure how to use them. And if you do have those, please comment below and let me know, because that will give me future material as well. And it makes it easier for me to cater to you on what you really need and want to see here. So let us cook. Yes, it's spelled like lettuce, like the green stuff that you put in your salad, because we're looking at a play on words and something a little unique and special. So as I was looking at different food names and different puns and different play on words around food or cooking, this was the first one that I came up with, and we kind of like it. So let us cook it is. Hi, Bonnie. So let us cook it is, and I am absolutely excited to be doing this. So I'm Tanya. I have been a Pampered Chef consultant for going on 5 years in December. So I've been around, I've seen a lot. I've been through a lot of different product launches. Twice a year we have a product launch, once March 1st, one September 1st. And I have got to say, out of my almost 5 years, this season I think is my favorite. But we'll talk about that next week when we do a little bit in the quick cooker. So, oops, sorry. Anyhow, so today I want to talk quick slice and how the quick slice can make your time in the kitchen easier when you prep a lot of different things. So we all started out with, if you're familiar with this, it's our egg slicer, right? This is a deluxe egg slicer. So it has these metal, whatever. It's just little metal wires, and you use them just to slice your eggs, or a strawberry, or a mushroom, or maybe a small mozzarella ball, but nothing really big. And it was very tedious to really slice more than one at a time, and time consuming, and it was just easier to pull out a knife. So with that said, we introduced maybe a year and a half ago, something like that, the quick slice. So this is the quick slice. This is like our little egg slicer on steroids. So let me show you. So this is the base. It has the slots, and then the top. So this is the slicer, right? So they're metal grates, and they're pointing like a V, so you can actually start out and then just slice down. And they go perfectly, and they line up with the things, and they slice right through. And I'm going to show you how great these are. So this will do. I mean, look at the size of this. This is a big square, right? This is like the size of my hand, and granted I have small hands, but this is huge. A whole bunch of strawberries at a time, mushrooms, small mozzarella balls, even a big mozzarella ball. And with that, I would suggest to throw it in the freezer for 15 minutes first to make it a little more solid, so it goes through better. You don't want it frozen, but you do want it a little more solid. Some of your cheeses will be good, maybe a cheddar or Havarti, not of the harder ones. You can do, when I do pasta salad and I use bologna, I get a chunk of bologna that I'll just have them keep, and I'll just actually dice with them. So going down once, little slice, I'll turn it over And then I'll slice it again, and then I turn it over, and I have the dices. It's perfect. So we have bologna, we have peppers, you have avocado. You can do peaches as long as you remove the core. You can do kiwi. I already said strawberries. So anything that you really need fast off. So let me show you cucumbers, because we're going to do cucumbers and peppers tonight. That'll be perfect for me to cut down for lunches tomorrow. So I'm going to take myself out of the picture, and I'm just going to show you. Okay. So I have mini cucumbers. So I'm just going to take off the ends. And then we'll slice it. So I'm going to do, they're going to fit this way. And get this. Perfectly even slices. Isn't that great? So when you're doing like salads, you're prepping all the salads for the week, or you're doing like I'm doing, slicing up cucumbers for lunch or something, just do that. Very easy, and you don't have to now sit there with a knife. Now, if you're so lucky and you absolutely love, you have great knife skills, you love what you do with your knife, go for it. I mean, absolutely. But my knife skills, by far, are not that great. So this, look at this. Perfect. I love it. All right. So let's move on. Let's do a pepper. So what I'll do, I'll just cut off the top. This is our chef's knife. Wicked sharp. It really is. So, okay, I saw them do this at Wegmans, where they take the pepper and they cut it like such. Apparently I need more work with that, as I'm going to cut my fingers off. There are other ways of cutting down a pepper, I know. So many different ways. Sometimes I just take it, put it on top, and I just cut the four corners. So, we'll do this. Now watch. And I'm gonna slice them, and then I'm gonna dice one of them, some for you. So again, I'm gonna put this in there. And you have perfect slices. Isn't that great? Absolutely amazing. Let's do another one, and then I will show you dicing. So yes, so if you're prepping your salads, so there was a time when I prepped all my salads for the week, and I did salads in the jar, and it was just the easiest way. There we go. Just to do this. It was incredible. So when I take a couple of these, let's take some bigger ones, and I lay them perpendicular to what they were before. Watch. I have perfect slices, dices. So easy. So that is our quick cut. Let me put you back up again. So this is our quick cut. Just wanted to show you one of these. So if you have a product that you have questions about, please let me know in the comments, and I will cover it in a future episode of Let Us Cook. If you liked it, please feel free to share it with your friends. If you love it, invite your friends to like this page or follow this page so that they get notifications next week when I go live again on Thursday at 8:30 for episode 2. And next week we'll be steaming eggs in the quick cooker. So something to look forward to. You all have a great Thursday night. And again, let me know comments below what you thought, what you'd like to see in the future. Everything else, share it with your friends, and I will see you next week. Have a great one. Bye, guys.